purpose of ensuring at the end of the day.
Nigeria's Information Minister, Attorney General and Central Bank Governor have arrived in London ahead of a court hearing on a $9 billion arbitration case involving a failed energy plant. The case is disputed by the government. It relates to a 2010 project to build a gas processing plant in southern Nigeria that never reached completion. Nigeria's government says the project was doomed by graft, but the company involved, Process and Industrial Developments Limited, or PNID, was last month told by a judge it had the right to seek to seize some $9 billion in assets from Nigeria. A delegation of Nigerian policymakers are now in London to meet stakeholders and investors, as well as attend Thursday's hearing. Information Minister Lai Mohammed spoke to Reuters about the case.
All options are on the table, but I think the government's major emphasis and focus now is actually to convince the courts that the entire, contract was marred with fraud and corruption and should be set aside. And that's why on the 26th, we are going to argue for, a stay of enforcement and also appeal the case with a view to setting aside the entire, award.
Mohammed said PNID had been trying to reach the Nigerian government through proxies, but that they had refused and insisted on official communication directly from the company. He did not rule out a settlement with the firm. In a statement to Reuters, PNID said the onus was on the Nigerian government to resolve the matter, adding it will continue its global efforts to identify and seize Nigerian assets to satisfy the debt. Real estate, bank accounts or any kind of movable wealth can be targeted by PNID, but not assets that relate to Nigeria's operations as a sovereign state, such as oil.
What is probably more worrisome to us is the gargantuan scale of this award, because it's about 1/5 of our entire foreign reserve, and it's going to affect our ability to secure the country, our ability to provide the education, our ability to provide the healthcare system. And this is why we are not taking this matter lightly. We are pursuing every legal means to ensure that it's reversed.
Mohammed and the other policymakers said they had taken steps to safeguard Nigeria's assets, but declined to elaborate further.